Hey guys, Jason here for Chart Guys. Checking back in on GE. We did a video yesterday. We pointed out a couple potential trades. I thought the pattern that we had talked about would develop a little bit more, but we got one of the trade setups that we had talked about, and that was the loss of a major support level. That's going to be 97.77. So our triple bottom support got crushed, and we said we didn't see really much support until the 963s. So we managed to push all the way down to 947, ended up closing the day at 956, so not so far off. We'll see if we can figure out exactly what we were talking about. I think it was hourly support, but let's go take a look at what happened and do a little post-mortem analysis here. So 977, that was a support level for us on a couple of occasions because we set that low way over here. We tested that area of support a couple times and wanted to see a more sustained move to the upside before testing it again. We did not get that opportunity. We cracked that level. I could show you the 2-minute time frame. It doesn't look a lot different. We took that thing out within the first few minutes of trading. It offered almost no support, very surprising, and we just crushed right through it, getting oversold, deep oversold. 2-minute time frame got down to 16. 5-minute time frame got down to 20-ish before bouncing, coming up, testing that area as a new area of resistance before just meandering and doing not a lot for the rest of the day, ultimately closing around, what was that close? 954, 953, something like that. So what do we do here? We just lost a major support level. We saw a couple oversold bounces, and it was right in the area. Where were we looking for hourly support? I believe it was this guy, 950. Perhaps not. I remember the value 963 jumping out at me for some reason. I'm not sure exactly where I grabbed that value, but I would like to know. I'll have to go back and watch my video. Must have been this guy. There you go. 963, region of support. That was our first low. Obviously, we broke through that one, fell through a little bit further, ending the day kind of ugly. So that was our trade setup. Immediate loss of our key triple bottom support and falling down pretty aggressively. So what's the next move here? Well, what we need to do, and this is sort of where we get into the art aspect of technical analysis. We got to try and figure out what some potential moves are and what we could be looking for moving forward. So one of the things I like to do in this case is I try to see if I can find any trends, and trends I'm looking for channels. So I draw little shapes and things like this, see what fits. I got a nice push here, a bottom touching the wick. I see some area of support. So I'm going to keep this as a dashed line. That tells me that I'm not really sure or certain about an area of support. I'm not going to use it for my trading, but I'm going to keep an eye on it and see how we react to it in the future. And then I use my copy, I clone that, find a resistance, and I keep that as a parallel channel, save my chart, and I just watch this develop over time. So for the sake of clarity, I'm going to delete those because I know I've saved them. They're going to show up again when I refresh my page, jump back to my daily time frame. Obviously, bears are in control. The overall market's having a very bearish narrative, so I expect more downside. We have no real daily support here until we get down to our low of 898. So quite a ways to go for us on the daily time frame. 4 hours may offer us a little bit more support, but it really doesn't. Look how much we moved here on the 4 hour. No support there. Hourly time frame, no real support, maybe a little bit down at, well, unfortunately, maybe not even there. Yeah, that's our support. So we're going to go back, pay more attention to the low of our current candlestick. So the most recent low, that's going to be our flush point. That's going to be our major area of support we need to watch. If we break 947, next real support on the hourly, 4 hour, and daily time frame, 898. Watch for EMAs on the hourly, see what the pullback interaction is. We could very easily just start trending down until we get down to that support level. That's it for me today. I'm going to go do some more videos. If you like technical analysis, lots of information out there. Some of it you can find on our website. I encourage you to just learn as much as possible from as many people as possible. Technical analysis it's fun.